Why is my head so... Oh, hey guys! I'm just trying to think of how to say my body parts in Spanish. Wanna help? Do you know how to say head in Spanish? Yeah, that's right. It's mi cabeza. Mi cabeza. Mi cabeza. What about my eyes? Do you know how to say my eyes in Spanish? That's right. It's mi ojos. Mi ojos. Mi ojos. My mouth is called mi boca. Mi boca. Mi boca. Do you know how to say my nose in Spanish? That's right. It's mi nariz. Mi nariz. Mi nariz. All right. Well, let's go ahead and sing the body parts song. You ready? Cabeza, ojos, boca, nariz, cabeza, ojos, boca, nariz, cabeza, ojos, cabeza, ojos, boca, nariz,